Hello. The review system on your website always puts impact on other visitors to start getting interacting with your website, and review always matters for the buyers. And for a e-commerce website, review is a tremendous growth in sales. It can be a medium for growth in sales. If you are having good review system, you are going to get great number of sales, of course, and you have to manage all these reviews. And in this video I have a great plugin. This is for photo reviewing system on the WooCommerce website. Of course, it is for WordPress based WooCommerce website only, and it can be used on the WordPress website having WooCommerce facility. It is in fact an add-on for WooCommerce, and it is a great plugin for reviews and all such things. So it has I can show you, this is the reviews using this plugin, and with images, verified, and all stars. So it is a great plugin for putting review system on your website for your products listing. And this is the WooCommerce photo reviews plugin, and this is a professional, the premium plugin, and it has been made by the Vela theme. And Vela theme, actually they made wonderful WordPress themes, plugins, and they are very much expert in this. It was created in 2018, and regular updates for this plugin is also being done. And WooCommerce photo reviews is an ultimate review plugin for WooCommerce, which help you to extend review reminders. Email allows customer to post reviews, include product picture, and send thank you email with WooCommerce coupons to customers. So it is a great plugin, of course. And reviews reminder, rating count, and review filters can be gained at your website using this plugin. And it is going to be a great plugin and great add-on enhancement on your WordPress website. So in this video we are going to install and preview the options of this review plugins. Let us go. I have a fresh website. In fact, I made this website for illustrating a theme called Unero, I believe. Okay, yes, it is Unero WordPress theme having e-commerce facility with WooCommerce. And in this installation I am going to illustrate this plugin. I have this plugin WooCommerce photo reviews version 1.1.5.0 with me, and I am going to install this on this installation, and we will also see what options we get after installing this plugin. So you can get this plugin following the link given in the description of this video, which is of course of my website, and you can order your plugin for your enhancement, of course. And okay, so I'm going to install first. I'm on dashboard of this installation, and now I'll click on the add new plugin and upload that plugin. This is WooCommerce photo reviews, and install now. And the plugin has been installed successfully. Now we can activate this plugin. It is taking time, in fact, no worries. So let it be activated, and now it has been activated. So we can choose to get the automatic updates, but some comment is here. Let me handle it first. So my visitors are regularly interacting with me. Okay, so we are fine with the plugin called WooCommerce Photo Reviews, and now let us check what we got additional. This is the setting, and this is the premium version. As I said, you can get this plugin at the link given in the description of this video. And let us see the settings what we got, and I have already shown you the front end how it works, and this is going to be back end. And yes, it has a broad setting. In fact, I'll show you. So helper is here. Read the required set of documents if you need to do so. Shortcode is here, and you can use these short codes for integrating this feature on your pages and at different places of your website. So it is important one. And these are the settings. This is the general settings: enable mobile, enable multilingual, customer review photos folder, import reviews folder, and we can decide the photo folder. In fact, customer review photo prefix, import review photo prefix, and save settings. Okay, so I'm not going to change, I am just illustrating what is available. And this is the review settings: include photos, restrict number of reviews, allow empty comments, maximum photo size, maximum photo quality, upload image requirements, and enable review title praise folder, thank you message if coupon, photo required, sort reviews by show reviews tab first, GDPR checkbox, GDPR message, rating stars, color, hide name, verified on, and show images caption can be on. So image caption text color, image caption background color, image caption font size, and helpful button title, front end style, grid or normal, pop-up type, Ajax pagination and filter, max content length, okay, and display pop-up in full screen on mobile, display product summary on machinery pop-up, number of columns for desktop and mobile you can set separately, grid background color, grid item background color, grid item border color, review text color, show review date, custom review date format, enable box shadow, and review anchor links, custom CSS. So these are the broad setting in fact. And what next? Rating counts and filters. So rating counts can be enabled or disabled, hide if empty, overall rating count bar color, filters, hide if empty, filters area, and also settings are here. Now coupon for reviews, registered account email ID is required, photo is required, minimum required rating, verified owner is required, review from description, required products, exclude products to give coupon, required categories, exclude categories to give coupon, custom from address, email template, email subject, email heading, email content, send email restrictions, select coupon kind, setting for unique coupon, discount type, discount amount, allow fees, free shipping, time to live, minimum speed, maximum spend, maximum spend, individual use only, exclude sale items, include products, exclude products, included categories, use limit per coupon, limit use to X items, uses limit per user, coupon code prefix. So these are the coupon settings available in the WooCommerce photo review setting. And review reminder is here, so it is also broad setting in fact, and you can see all these settings are here for reminders and all. And now I'll show you optional fields. So optional fields you can add. Okay, it is also a great. And you have AliExpress reviews, so it is not applicable in all countries. Chrome extension, share reviews and update. So these are the settings available for the WooCommerce photo review settings, and these are broad settings which you can use for your website, and the outcome review style will be like this, as I have already shown you, and this is going to be a great add-on, of course. So you may have this feature if you need this, and it is available on the link given in the description of this video. And I believe you have already subscribed this channel, because I am going to bring wonderful plugins, utilities and themes for you in next videos. Thanks for watching.